Welcome back. Everybody, welcome to a new year. Thank you for all those beautiful smiles. Keep it going. Let's move it.
Today is our welcome back event for our 24-25 school year. We're so excited to have some fun today, but we are also ready to come back to our school sites and collaborate together. This event emphasizes community, coming together, the joy that comes with being an employee of Cajon Valley Union School District. It's a great way to welcome and start the school year.
Cajon Valley truly is such a special place because you see sites from all over the place and matching shirts and matching colors and hugging each other and cheering each other on, and it's just such a great place to work, and we're all so excited to be here. We just feel the energy.
Coming to the welcome back, it's like I get to reconnect with people that I know at different sites, get hugs, and just be able to start off the school year on a positive note. Way to go, Cajon Valley.
I think days like this are really exciting because it's great to come together and just see like we're all in this together, and I'm new to this district, and it just feels good to be like welcomed like a family.
I guess I would say that it's our opportunity to see the district as a whole together for the only time in the year, and also to meet people that we only email with or talk with on the phone, especially for us at the district. But I think it's also great for other school sites to get to connect because they all have the same goal in mind, right? But they're doing it in different locations and how they can meet each other, and the more global aspect of team building rather than just at each site.
I work in other places and I've never received so much encouragement. You know, just coming to my coworkers and hugging them and saying hi and actually being happy to see them was a really different thing for me to be part of Cajon Valley.
Our welcome back event is essential to the launch of a wonderful school year. I would say for many it's our favorite time of the year because after a well-needed break, we come back, we connect, and then we get right to work. It launches everything amazing that's going to happen for kids and community this year. I came to Cajon Valley and I have stayed here because we do things this way. We take care of each other, we come together, we launch for our community so we can serve our community.